Hi everybody.
Hello YouTube world.
We thought it was really important to put out a video in real time, so it is currently the 13th of...
We believe it's the 13th.
Of June.
Yes.
And we are, tomorrow morning, headed across the Atlantic.
Yeah, we're heading to the Azores starting tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're leaving Florida and we're going to be without internet for quite a while. So there's going to be a bit of lag between all the Bahama videos we've been doing, between the one that's now and the next one that's coming out, because we won't have internet to upload anything.
So as you probably know, the videos are about a month behind, and we'll catch you up as soon as we have internet again in the Azores, but for now we just wanted to let you know that stay tuned. There's going to be some really amazing stuff to come, and we're nervous and jittery and really excited. So,
so be sure to click the notification bell when you subscribe. That way, as soon as we make landfall and get our next video uploaded, it lets you know right away.
And in the meantime, you can become a patron and follow us on a map.
Real time, see exactly where we are as we're crossing the ocean.
And even be able to contact us using our sat phone and talk to us along the way.
And we will be starving for human contact, so if you want to chat, we will be here to talk.
And another thing you can do if you want is we have put all of our shirts and merchandise on sale, so there's a link to that in the description down below, and there's some really awesome shirts, so we recommend that you check them out. Alright, well, wish us luck and fair winds and following seas, and we will check back in with you from the Azores.
Yep, so we'll see you in a few weeks.